Hi guys, today we're going to be working on installing a tricolor grill badge. We picked this up on Amazon. It's pretty nice. It comes with a little hardware here. So we're going to go ahead and install the studs onto it here, and then we'll get to the installation process on the actual grill. So first thing you want to do is take the supplied studs, put one nut on each one, and then thread it into the badge. Repeat the process. Just thread the stud down into it till it stops, and then tighten up your nut. And these are 8mm. And just snug it up. You don't have to go crazy with it. This is the bracket that goes on the back behind the grill that will hold it on. You'll just install one washer on each side, and then put your nuts on. And then it'll fasten itself to the grill, just like that. So now we're going to go ahead and put the badge in the grill. Find the slotted hole, which one you want to put it in, and stick it through. As you can see on the back side here, you can see the studs coming through. So go ahead and throw your white or black bracket on the back side. It's going to hold it secure to the grill. And then grab your washers. And grab your washers and go ahead and put them on the back side. And then put the nuts behind them and snug them down. Once you get them snugged in by hand, just grab your ratchet with the 8mm socket on it. And then just snug them back and forth. You don't want to go too tight on one, loose on the other. Just work them back and forth until they're both tight.